In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset default settings on Brave browser. If Brave has started acting strangely, maybe your homepage looks different, your search results feel off, or an extension is causing glitches, a quick reset can bring everything back to a clean, reliable state. A reset in Brave reverts core settings to their original defaults, turns off all extensions, and clears certain temporary site data. It does not delete your bookmarks, saved passwords, or browsing history, so your important stuff stays put. Just keep in mind, you may be signed out of some websites, and a few preferences will need to be set again. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, open your Brave browser. Make sure any important tabs are saved or bookmarked, since you might want to revisit them after the reset. Next, go to the menu in the top right corner of the window. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click it to open the list of options, then choose Settings. This opens Brave's Settings page in a new tab, where all your browser controls live. On the left-hand sidebar of Settings, find and select Reset Settings. This section is specifically designed to undo custom changes that might be causing problems, without touching your personal data like bookmarks. In the main panel, click the option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. Brave will show you a confirmation dialog, so you know exactly what's about to change. Read that message carefully. You're confirming that your startup page, new tab page, search engine, pinned tabs, site permissions, and similar customization will revert to Brave's defaults, and that extensions will be disabled. When you're ready, click Reset Settings to confirm. Brave will apply the changes immediately. You may see the Settings tab refresh, and some interface elements might look more like they did when you first installed the browser. After the reset, take a moment to get set up again the way you like. If you rely on extensions, open the Extensions page and re-enable them one by one so you can spot any that were causing trouble. Set your preferred default search engine, adjust your homepage or startup pages, and check site permissions for things like camera, microphone, and notifications. If a website looks different or asks you to sign in again, that's normal after temporary data is cleared. And that's it. You've successfully restored Brave to its original defaults, which should resolve many common performance issues or unexpected changes while keeping your key data intact.